that you just saw on the 9 Toy Show. Just go to mykids.com and pre-order your Anacorn Kid Corn. And make sure you guys check back every day to see our special kids.
Hi everyone, ¿cómo está todo el mundo? This is a package that I got for someone as friend mail. Este es un paquete que yo compré para alguien. This one's clear. I couldn't get the other package that I wanted. No pude comprar el otro paquete que yo quise porque dijeron que no lo estaban vendiendo más nada. They said they wasn't selling anymore. So I was stuck with this one. And a size 8 brush. I know you're gonna watch this video. Yo sé que ella va a ver este video. So I hope you like it. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching this video. Gracias a todos por ver este video. God bless everyone. Que Dios bendiga a todos.